Hi, my name is Janice Pope with Anything But Boring. I'm going to demonstrate how to install magnetic closures for a purse. The tools you'll need are a marking pencil, this is a sketch and wash, either a rotary cutter or razor blade or very sharp shears. You'll need another marking pen and a pencil with a full eraser. So let's get started. Take your pattern piece that you've cut out and added Decker bond. You're going to first mark your dot. Next we're going to take the heavy part of the magnet and the little closure for it. Place the closure on top of the dot and you're going to mark the two long lines. You're now going to open the lines. The easiest way is with a very, very small rotary cutter. You'll hear just a little pop. And you're not rolling the rotary cutter, you're just popping it down. Then go to the other side. And here's where your pencil comes in. Just take the eraser, and it takes a little bit of force, and you close it. Isn't that easy? On the other one, I've already marked where I want the other side. You do exactly the same thing. This time, I'm going to use a razor. Using the point, just stroke that line a little bit. And for the last one, I'm going to demonstrate how to use scissors. Fold it in half, and using the back part so you've got lots of control, just to make a tiny little slit. Again, we're going to take our pencil eraser and push. There you go. To finish up your tab, you put your other piece right side up, stitch all the way around, flip it, press it, and then top stitch it around. And then you're ready to close your purse. The video that you just saw was a demonstration that had a lot of background noise. That was Buster scurrying around. This is Buster Pope. He's a Javanese. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll take time to go to my website, Anything But Boring, and check out the patterns. Life around here is anything but boring, and I hope you enjoy making them. Thank you.